Okay, and scene.
Oh, how wise and superior you are. John Packenham Jr., graduate of Johns Hopkins, magna cum laude. Brilliant. Yes. As the branches after the ice storm, and just as cold and inhuman. When you put us in our place tonight, my little band of eccentrics, my club of fellow misfits, you sat among us like a lord of the earth, the only handsome one there, the one superior one. And oh, how we all devoured you with our eyes. You were like holy bread being broken among us, but snatched away, fetched home by your mother, with that lame excuse, that invention of Mrs. Arbuckle's turned for the worse. And called the Arbuckles. Better, much better, they told me. No doctor was called. Suppose you're right to despise us. My little company of the faded and frightened, indifferent and odd and lonely. You don't belong to that club, but I hold an office in it. Everything in this house is comme il faut. Even that clock makes music when it strikes, a dainty little music. Hear it? Hear it? It sounds like the voice of your mother saying, John, John, darling, we must go home now. And when you marry, you'll marry some northern beauty. She will have no eccentricities, but the eccentricities of beauty and perfect calm. Her hands will have such repose, such perfect repose when she speaks. They won't fly about her like wild birds. Oh no. She'll hold them together, hold the little pink tips of her fingers together, making a steeple. Or she'll fold them sweetly and gravely in her lap. They won't reach above her when she cries out at night, suddenly, desperately, fly up in the night, reaching for something, nothing, clutching at space.